Hello children, my name is Kanak Rupani. I am going to teach you lesson 3 Calopelling. Do you remember the time when you were small? If your parents or elders wanted you to obey them, did they try to scare you with stories about monsters or other creatures? Did you fall for those scary stories or threats? Let us read about a folk tale that comes to us all the way from the North Pole, an Inuit folk tale that tells us the story of a monster called Kalupelling. But is he really frightening? Kalupelling is a strange being who lives in the northern seas. His body is like that of a man except that his feet are very large and look like sealskin muffs. Muffs means a tube made of fur or other warm material into which we can place our hands for warmth. उसकी बॉडी मैन की तरह है और उसके फीट बहुत बड़े बड़े हैं और वो सील स्किन मफ्स की तरह दिखते हैं. हिज क्लोथिंग इज मेड ऑफ द स्किन्स ऑफ आइडर डक्स. आइडर मतलब ब्लैक एंड वाइट डक हैविंग सॉफ्ट फेदर्स. And as their bellies are white and their backs are black, his clothes are spotted all over. He cannot speak, वो बोल नहीं सकता, but cries all the time, bee, bee, bee. His jacket has an enormous hood. Hood means a covering for the head and neck with an opening for the face, which is an object of fear to the Inuit. Inuit means Eskimo, for if a kayak upsets and the boatman is drowned, Kalopelling grabs him and puts him into the hood. अगर कायक अपसेट हो जाती है और बोटमैन डूबने लगता है तो कैलोपेलिंग उसको पकड़ के अपने हुड में डाल देता है. An old woman and her grandson in the cold North Pole were living alone in a small hut. एक old woman और उसके grandson cold North Pole पे रहते थे. They had nobody to hunt for them and were very poor. Once in a while, but not often, someone from the Inuit tribe took pity on them and brought them seal's meat and blubber for their lamp. Blubber means the fat from sea mammals like whales and seals used as fuel in lamps. One day the boy was so hungry that he cried out loud. एक दिन बच्चा बहुत भूखा था और जोर से चिल्लाने लगता. His grandmother told him to be quiet, but he cried harder. She became vexed. Vexed means angry with him and cried out, "Ho, Kalopelling, come and take this fretful boy away." उसकी दादी को और गुस्सा आती है और बोलती है, "हो Kalopelling, come and take this fretful boy away."